This is the second 52-inch silver or brown Harbor Breeze Lakeside 52-inch ceiling fan here at my aunt and uncle's house in the living room. There's the other one I just did. This is the second one here. See, this one's the same as the other one. This one has 6 blades and 5 light globes. There's the light globe. See? I mean, there's the reverse switch. I'm gonna turn it. There's the light. Wait a minute. That's supposed to be. Actually, I'll get over here where I can get a better view of it. There's the light. There we go. Sit right here. There's the other one I just did. All right, that's low. Now I'll turn it to medium. There you go. There's medium. And then here we go up to high now. There's the light. There you go. That sure feels good. All right, that's high. I'm gonna turn this to medium. All right, there's medium. And then to low, once again. There you go, and that's low. Now I'm turn it to off. There we go. And there's the light. All right, there you go. And this has been part 2 of the other 52-inch Harbor Breeze Lakeside ceiling fan here at my aunt and uncle's house. Until then, hope y'all enjoyed it. Till then, thanks for watching. That's it.